Good morning, teacher. So today I would like to present my projects. My project is pineapple productions. So I'm come from tropical agriculture, 400. So now let's start. So for the introduction of pineapples, so I would like to talk about the pineapples. Pineapples is the most popular in the world, especially in Hawaii. That most of the people they eat a lot of pineapples with like they use to produce a juice, a cake, a birthday cake, a candy or biscuit, and also etc. And also the pineapple is good for health as it contains vitamin C, and also it's good for kidney, which has a bromelain digest enzymes inside of the body of the humans. And also the importance of this project or benefit, I would like to say I will survive through to the world, that I can hit the market in the world, and also can help poor people which they don't have any jobs, so I can survive them to have a lot of salaries from my project. And also the main ideas of these products, I would like to create a new varieties of the pineapples to produce a new sweetness taste. And also these projects, I'm gonna take the varieties from Hawaii, which is we say Hawaii pineapple variety. And also now we move on to agrometeorology. Agrometeorology, it means to study the weather that related to climate and informations to enhance or explain of agriculture's crops, and also to increase the crop production, which include the technologies and include the high knowledge. And for the literatures, I have some literatures. I have this link, two of this link. One link is I got it from website, Google website, which come from world organizations. And also now we move on my system of these projects. I would like to make or to prepare with 10 hectares of my field, and then I'm gonna put the row intercroppings like with pineapples and with also soybean in the middle, and also sometimes also bananas, like you see in these pictures as well. And also integrate crops pings, integrate croppings raised like fish and also shrimps inside of the lake or the pond that I need the waters, or which is mean the irrigations, and that to survive my pineapples productions. And here is the materials that I would like to I need to buy, or that I need to prepare my project. First is tractors, so I choose the Holland tractors, New Holland tractors. And also this one is the plow, Dix plow. The price is about $800 to $1,000, and also the tractors about $50,000. And also harvesting machine, that is machine of the harvesting that collect the pineapples that also already harvest. And then people, they are the laborers, or I can say it's my laborers, gonna prepare or gonna separate the pineapples, the side of the pineapples, and also the quality of the pineapples. And also fertilizers applications, and also plastics. So let's move on to, and also I would like to talk about these projects that I run out and outcome. So these projects I'm gonna invest $50,000 and I must to get $1 million per year. That is my goal, that I need to get $1 million per year. And the method, I already mentioned about the agrometeorologists, but now we are moving on to the soil management and weed control that I'm gonna talk in this topic. You know, the first, I already have a land, I already bought a land, or I already prepared the land, and then I need to soil management to plow the soil before grow pineapples, and also weed control as well. I'm cover the plastic or soil, like I use the residues of the stem of the trees that already die and cover it on the tops of the soils. And also this is can make soil moisture as well. And here's the pictures that you see. I'm gonna plow the soil first and then start to grow it. For the irrigations, as I mentioned before here, and you see the integrated farms that I raise fish or aquatic animals inside of the pond that I'm gonna take those waters to survive my production. So to survive my pineapples productions, because, and also you already know about the pineapples production. Pineapple productions not need a lot of waters, but water through and place is bright, indicate light and keep it moisture. Root can develop at the beginning of the at the younger growth or at the younger state. And between 6 weeks to 8 weeks for root establish, and after that you can leave it, and then we can observe it. And then pineapples, you can give the waters 10 days or 7 days per month. And here's the pictures that I show you, the equipment that I need to build my irrigation that I use. First, I did not mention about this, the sources of the waters that I take it from. I take it from the water's resource, that from the rains, and also from the well, and also from the rivers. If I have rivers next to my soil, next to my fields. And this equipment I need whalers and whaled, it's not whaler, whaled and backflow preventers, and also preserve regulators, and also filters that filtrate everything that come from within the waters, and also tubing adapters, and also connected to the emitters and end of the caps. I'm gonna tie it up, or gonna take the end cap to cover it. And then I have a main line. Here is the main line as well. And for the pesticide and disease controls is a materials that equipment that we need. First is herbicide and fungicide and insecticide. So the main cause that on the pineapples, the first is nematodes, and also phytophthora, and also is a fungi that I know a little bit of the phytophthora is the fungi that disease that attacks to the both plant of the root, and it's damage the root and spread to the leaf, and which is change the color from green to yellow. So in this cause, I need to use the herbicide and fungicide to kill kill this pathogens, and also insecticide they used to kill or used to reduce the vectors, insect vectors of my field. And fertilizers applications, or we can say fertilizers application demands. So fertilizers, I use two types of fertilizers. First is a chemical fertilizers, and second one is organic fertilizers. So chemical fertilizers, the most important of the plants that we use is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And the fertilizers which is suitable for pineapples is the fertilizer which contained 6 to 10% of NPK and also 4 to 6% of magnesiums. And for the chemical fertilizers that I use it, I need to use it to my main purpose. I need to gain the gel of the production of my pineapples and soybean and the most everything inside of my farm. And for the organic fertilizers, I use it for soils, preserve the physical properties of the soil, to prevent the soil compactions, and also to make it or to keep the soil moisture. And these pictures you can see this the residue or the decompose, and this is the decompose from the residues of plants. And here is the that I use the organic or chemical fertilizers like direct fertilizers, that I use a machine that connect with my tractors and then spread it over to my pineapple fields. And this one is the machine that I connect with to my tractors that I needed, and then I put it, and then the main purpose of this machine is used to add fertilizers to the soil. And also harvesting and post-harvesting. For the harvestings, pineapples is a perennial plants which take times 14 to 20 months. So that's why I have to make row cropping, row intercroppings and integrate farms, because it takes long time. So by beginning 14 to 20 months, I can have another salary, I have another money, another budget that I get from another crops. And also separation that I mentioned before is the machine, but actually we can use by hand, but use a lot of labors, a little bit of labors. But in my opinions, I don't like to use a lot of labors, because labors we spend a lot of money. But for the machine, it is better and also perfect for my project. And for the specific places that I would like to create it, I'm gonna, if I can go to Australia, I can connect it to the people in Australia, and then I'm make cooperations with Australian peoples, and then I'm gonna start this project. And also in Southeast Asia, like Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines, or Cambodia, or whatever, I can make a communication, like a good communication, and then I'm gonna run out these projects. And also duration, I'm gonna do it, maybe I must do it after graduate, after master degrees, and then I'm gonna set it up. And here's the reference. And also in this reference, I got it from YouTube, and also not Facebook, and also from Google's. So that's all for today. That is my topics. I'm finished. So thank you so much for your listening. I hope you enjoy this video.